What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got something different on the channel. We got some audio equipment, some podcasting type equipment from a company called Fifine. We done had them on the channel before. Shout out to them for sending out this microphone. They didn't pay me for a review. These thoughts will be my own, but they definitely supplied the microphone for free. And what we got going on here is the K688 XLR USB dynamic podcast microphone. Now, this is something I'll probably be using to stream and do voiceovers, so we definitely gotta check this thing out. I'm definitely into microphones and things of that nature because when you're on YouTube, audio is very important. Now, what we got going on here: better voice reproduction, USB-C connector, and the XLR connector. So you can use this with a mixer, you can just use this with a smartphone, an iPad, a MacBook. Very universal type setup for this microphone here. Now in the package, you're gonna get the microphone with the shock mount. You're gonna get a USB-C to USB cable, very long, 8 feet. Then you're gonna get a male to female adapter. And you're gonna get a user's manual. So let's just go ahead, open it up and see what's going on. So first thing we greeted with is a user's guide. Then after we remove the styrofoam packaging, we have the microphone on display. So let's start with the smallest stuff first. Got a nice USB-C to USB cable right here. We got an adapter so you can actually screw this or mount this to different boom arms. We set everything else to the side, and here we actually have the microphone. It's got a nice touch to it, nice metal feel to it. I believe the shock mount on this microphone is plastic, but the actual build of the microphone feels like metal. As you can see, we got some fine branding. On the rear of the microphone, as you can see, we got the Type-C plug-in. We also have volumes for the gain, and then we got the volume for the audio that's being input to the microphone. Then we also have a headphone jack. Then we also have an aux plug-in for your monitoring headphones. As you can see, the shock mount is nice. That's a nice touch because it's very important. You got this mounted to a table. You don't want to hear the table moving. This is what the microphone looks like when you remove the foam cover, guys. This is the technology. The audio is going to be picked up from the front of the microphone. As you can see, you got a mount right here at the top. You can mount it in a downward position. We're going to mount it. We're going to put it to use, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the audio. So here we have it, YouTube. I'm currently using the audio from the Fifine K688 microphone. Now this microphone sounds outstanding to me for the price, guys. This is a great bang for your buck podcast XLR USB microphone. It's very functional. You can get audio on your smartphone. You can use it with a laptop or iPad, or you can use it with an actual audio interface because it is XLR. I used this microphone for a podcast. I was wowed by the audio for the price point of about 70 bucks. Now there will be a link down in the description if you want to pick you up one. But shout out to Fifine for sending out the K688. Definitely recommend this microphone. Very versatile. Can hook it to a boom arm, get you some great audio for streaming, podcasts, voiceovers, whatever type of work you want to do. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.